Hi guys, I just wanted to pop on and answer a few questions that I've been receiving throughout the week, just to clear up a couple of issues. First, I want to talk about the type of testing that you're using. So we want to do text focused, expert focused, and user focused. That was not clear enough, I think, in the instructions. Some of you did include it in your test plan, and some of you did not. So I'm going to have people, rather than go back and add this to your test plan, just make sure that you include it in your results. So for text focus, you could do something like a readability formula, or you could do something like computer-based stylistic analysis, and that could be um, simply using a program that's going to check for spelling, grammar, that sort of thing. Even if you have a version of Word that does the readability analysis, you can definitely use that. If you are following any guidelines like Strunk and White, you could certainly apply that, but you don't have to go that far. And for expert judgment focused, we're really looking at you guys as the expert. So this is where you're able to reference your own results of your evaluation of the website. So these are the issues that you brought up. So as professional communicators, you're going to make a couple of suggestions. You're also evaluating the brand. You can see down in external reviews, there's a section for corporate identity. So that's really the part that you guys are doing on your own, but we just want to make sure we exclusively state that in the results that we're meeting these three areas. So there should be a section for text focused, expert focused, and user focused. Now, I want to pop over for a second to the upcoming dates. For week 9, the only thing that's going to be due by Sunday night is going to be the annotated bibliography if you're a graduate student. Nothing is going to be due if you are an undergraduate student. However, you also want to get in contact with your group and make sure that you're on the same page with how the testing is going, the reports, everything's divided up. You should really be spending this time doing the usability test, compiling your results, and then analyzing them. And then by 6/7, so that's going to be, just going to look at my calendar quick here. 6/7 is a Thursday. So by Thursday, you want to submit your report and your presentation. I'm going to have those links available on the week 10 board. And after you submit them, we're going to take a look at everyone's presentation. And this is also a requirement for you to comment on each presentation of your colleagues. Like I said before, there's only about 7 groups, I think. So plan for maybe about 10 minutes per video and go through, watch them all, comment. Comments can be as simple as, oh, you found this result in your study. We found XYZ. Just offer a comparison, or if someone learned something new and so did you, you can just relate that to them. But I want to make sure that you're watching these presentations and that you're commenting on each one. So that's going to be done from 6/7 till the end of the finals week. So again, you want to make sure your report and presentation are posted by 6/7. And then the remaining time, you want to make sure that you watch the other videos and comment on the presentation of your colleagues. Now, I also have the usability board posted up. You can ask questions there. If you need something a little bit more immediate, I certainly don't mind you emailing me to my Gmail address. Drexel never got my school email up and running, so now that we're in week 9, I guess I won't be using that. So just feel free to send me an email to my Gmail account and I will get back to you as soon as I can. You can also use my phone number if there's anything urgent that you need answered. I'm happy to do that. I'm also happy to look at any samples that you want me to, and if there's any questions that you have, reach out. All right, thanks guys and good luck.